12:50. I've been so busy with storms, I forgot how hungry I am already. So hopefully if you're headed out for lunch, just take it easy in southern Hidalgo County where there are some heavy rains and storms. Overall, not a high number of storms today, but there's basically just one out there right now that's taking up southern parts of Hidalgo County, has some heavy rain with it. In terms of severe weather, in terms of hail and strong winds, the threat has diminished right now. But less rain overall tomorrow. I think if we do get a couple showers or storms, probably less intense and less numerous than today. Getting hotter later this week. We're talking about highs probably back there in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Lower valley locations have been missing out on the rain again so far, but you see the storms approaching from the west, and we zoom in there around McAllen, and this is the storm we had briefly a severe thunderstorm warning for, because when it was back here in northern Mexico, it looked like it had some large hail with it, but then as soon as it got toward just west of Gran Genio, the hail core really just fell apart, and the storm overall has kind of been weakening, but still has a lot of heavy rain coming down. If you are headed out the door in the next maybe 30 to 40 minutes or so anywhere in the path of the storm, you could get a good burst of maybe some 20 or 30 minutes of rain coming down and some lightning. We zoom in and there's the storm without the lightning on it. You see it's a large area of heavy rain just hitting the Alamo area again that got hit by the storm this morning. From there westward into Mission and northward toward parts of Edinburgh, some heavy rain. But do a track on the storm again. The leading edge of the storm coming out here from about Alamo eastward now. If you do a track on about when the front edge and some of the intense rain will get to you, still about 10 after 1 o'clock, so about another 15 to 20 minutes before it starts to get toward the city of Edinburgh and near Mercedes by 1:22, and the front edge of the storm could be near La Feria by about 1:34, plus or minus, of course, a few minutes. There are a few little heavier showers developing back to the south, so if this does fill in with a bit more, you may want to watch and see if some of this holds together and moves across Cameron County later this afternoon. But behind this, there's really nothing forming right now. The big area of rain is still offshore. Some of this was left over from storms that passed south of the valley this morning and then have kind of just formed into a big blob of rain and storms offshore, but that's moving away. Overall, our rain chances probably highest this afternoon across the valley and then falling off to about 20% overnight tonight, maybe get a little bump tomorrow, but I think tomorrow we're looking at mainly spotty showers, maybe a weak thunderstorm or two. I think a lot less rain tomorrow and a lot less intensity if anything forms, because the disturbance that's helping to cause some storms in South Texas is moving on its way out, and there's not much left to replace it tomorrow to help trigger any storms. 81 right now in Weslaco, your current temperature 82 in Harlingen, and 77 where it's raining in McAllen. You see across Texas, a little bit of like a little swirl here and a couple showers and storms. There's a bit of an upper level disturbance up there, and then you have a little surge in the wind speeds beneath it here, helping to cause these little scattered areas of thunderstorms. But all this will weaken and move away, so I think drier days are ahead for the most part, with less rain likely tomorrow and Thursday. Future track shows a thunderstorm possible this afternoon. It doesn't show the exact storm there right now, but get the idea. It shows a little bit of action through early evening, and then pretty much not much after that tonight. You see Future Track has practically no rain on Wednesday, which might work out in most of the valley. I think, again, a lot less chance for rain tomorrow, and with maybe a little more sun breaking through the clouds. And even on Thursday, a couple showers, maybe a weak thunderstorm somewhere on this map, but probably not going to happen for a lot of you. I think Thursday may be a dry day for nearly everywhere. Today, a high of 83, mostly cloudy skies, still some thunderstorms in spots, at least through about sunset. And then tonight, down to 74 degrees, maybe a couple showers overnight, but I think overall rain chances really start to go down tonight. And then your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Again, there is a chance that a couple of showers or storms could blow up on Wednesday and Thursday, but without like a big trigger in the atmosphere to get anything significant going, I think our chances are a lot lower of that happening Wednesday and Thursday. So probably after today, a lot of the valley will see very little rain through the weekend. But one thing you may notice is hotter and more humid conditions, especially by the weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, highs could be back above 90 degrees, lows in the mid to upper 70s, and it could be a little windy at times over the weekend as well as the storm system rolls by well to our north. But we'll keep tracking it here on Channel 5 News at noon.